Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Adi underscore Marcia. So today I'm gonna react on a scene from movie Namaste London. It's Akshay Kumar's speech about India. And in the title I have something interesting, best scene of Bollywood film ever. So I'm very curious, let's watch. Oh, wow, nice party.
Dad, Mom,
Oh my.
this is Charlie's Aunt Pauline and her husband, Mr. William Knott.
How do you do?
Hello.
Oh, Pauline! So shocked to see a nude picture on a beach in some newspaper.
Keep carry it. No. What she meant to say was, she's very upset with the press for what they're doing with respected people like you. So don't. कुछ भी
Okay.
Cheers. Oh shit, Apple's here.
Oh, John. Jazz, this is Mr. John Pringle. He's got an old connection with your Indian. His great-grandfather was a high-ranking officer of the East India Company.
Oh, really?
Oh, this
Hi.
is my fiancée, Jazz.
Jazz? Isn't that a kind of music? So when did Indians have such fancy names, Charlie?
Actually, it's short for just me.
Jasmine.
Oh, then Jazz must be your attempt to be one of us. That's one smart girl you got there, Charlie. And I don't blame her. She doesn't want to be known as
Oh,
coming
wow,
from
he's
the
so
St.
arrogant.
Thomas, right? Tell me, Jazz, do you still do
Wow.
the Indian road trip
Ignorant.
in your country?
No, Mr. Pringle. And it's actually not just the land
I
of
would be
snake
so
charmers,
angry.
Right, Charlie?
Yes, sir. It's not just a land of snake charmers. It's also a land of chicken tandoori and call centres.
Obviously.
You know India's not just all that, right?
Of course, my dear. India's not all that. Fortunately, Charlie doesn't know. But I do. Winston Churchill once said if we ever left India, it would be run by the goons. And my God, it is.
If you just excuse me.
Certainly, my dear.
I would get drunk too if I heard someone ignorant like
मुझे
that.
बुरा लगा
Wow.
क्योंकि मैं इंडियन हूँ लेकिन तुम्हें क्या हुआ तुम्हें क्यों बुरा लगा तुम तो ब्रिटिशर हो खैर छोड़ो तुम कहीं की भी रहने वाली हो रहोगी तो तुम इंडियन ही ना चलो
कहाँ?
उसके परदादा ने कोई और इंडिया देखा है असल इंडिया की सैर करवाते हैं उसे
Mr. Pringle, he would like to tell you something about India.
I'm all ears.
नमस्ते सर मेरा नाम है अर्जुन सिंह 5000 साल पुरानी सभ्यता की वजह से हम हिंदुस्तानी सबको ऐसे ही झुक के प्रणाम करते हैं
When we greet one another, we fold our hands in Namaste because we believe that God resides in the heart of every human being.
ऐसी सभ्यता जिसमें एक कैथलिक औरत प्रधानमंत्री की कुर्सी एक सिख के लिए छोड़ देती है और एक सिख प्रधानमंत्री पद की शपथ एक मुस्लिम राष्ट्रपति से लेता है उस देश की बागडोर संभालने के लिए जिसमें 80% लोग हिंदू हैं
We come from a nation where we allow a lady of Catholic origin to step aside for a Sikh to be sworn in as Prime Minister by a Muslim president to govern a nation of over 80% Hindus.
आपकी मातृभाषा अंग्रेजी पूरी दुनिया में सबसे ज्यादा हमारे ही देश में घसी जाती है और आपको शायद ये भी नहीं पता होगा कि अंग्रेजी के ज्यादातर शब्द संस्कृत से लिए गए हैं संस्कृत का शब्द मात्र अंग्रेजी में मदर बना भ्रातृ बना ब्रदर
Look at
ज्यामिति
this
बनी
guy's
ज्योमेट्री
face.
और त्रिकोणमिति बनी ट्रिग्नोमेट्री
It may also interest you to know that many of the origins of your words come from Sanskrit. For example, Matru becomes mother, Ratra becomes brother, Geometry becomes geometry, Trigonometry becomes trigonometry.
आपको शायद ये बात दिलचस्प लगे कि हमारे यहाँ 21 भाषाओं में 5600 अखबार और 3500 मैगजीन छपती है जिनको पढ़ने वालों की संख्या
Look at their
12
dumb
करोड़ है।
eyes.
आपके देश के मुकाबले में
Learning all
कई
these
ज्यादा है।
We
things.
have 5,600 newspapers, 35,000 magazines, in over 21 different languages with a combined
That's
readership of 120 million.
चांद तक पहुंच गए हम, लेकिन अब भी आप लोगों को हम हिंदुस्तानियों के हाथ में सिर्फ सांप की बीन ही नजर आती है।
We have reached the moon and back, but yet you people still feel that we have only reached as far as the Indian rope trip.
डॉक्टर्स, इंजीनियर्स और साइंटिस्ट की गिनती में जनाब हम सिर्फ 2 मुल्कों से पीछे हैं।
We have the third largest pool in the world of doctors, engineers, and scientists.
ये थी दिमाग की बात, अब करते हैं ताकत की बात। दुनिया में तीसरी सबसे बड़ी फौज हमारे यहाँ, आपके यहाँ। फिर भी मैं आपके सामने झुक के आपको प्रणाम करता हूँ, क्योंकि हम किसी को अपने आप से छोटा या कमजोर नहीं समझते। नमस्ते।
Maybe your grandfather didn't tell you that we have the third largest army in the world. And even then, I fold my hands in humility before you, because we don't believe that we are above or beneath any individual.
Exactly. That's right.
अभी है हमारे पास वो सब।
Namaste.
I love this scene from a movie because it is so real. I was in India 3 times, you know, and when I come back, some people ask me some really stupid questions, some really ignorant question, and you know, I wasn't angry because I understand most of people who never were in India, they have negative image because of the media. Media show only negative thing about India. So what we have to do, and what I did do, what I did, I educate people. I told them that India is powerful country actually. It's country of undiscovered beauty. There is so much culture, religion, traditions, so much friendly people, amazing people, food, so much stars, Bollywood, everything. So we have to forgive them, forgive the ignorance, and just educate people. So thank you so much for watching with me. I will definitely watch this movie. I didn't see it before, but now after seeing that, I need to watch it. So thank you for watching this video. Please share and subscribe and like, and let me know in the comment what reaction video you want me to do next. So thank you so much. Namaste. Jai Hind. Bye.